Here we come to the elevators at Munich International Airport in Munich, Germany. These are Schindler EuroLift. I mixed up on the ones at London Heathrow International Airport. I don't know if those are Schindler EuroLift, but this is my actual first Schindler EuroLift elevator I have ever ridden. Five. Love the motor on this. Are you going down?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna catch another elevator car. I think this one's gonna be coming up. There's a lot of people in security walking by. I don't know how friendly this place is with photography. 3. This is definitely an MRL. Similar elevator cab. And lastly, we'll catch the middle car. Which actually serves 3 more floors. It actually serves the middle floor, but you need a key. This is an awesome Schindler EuroLift elevator. I might go for one more ride. Oh, it didn't push it hard enough. That handicap button doesn't work. Anyways, this is just similar to the other elevator.
Here, just a second.
You coming down?
Yeah, we're going down. Yes.
Just stomped on this floor.
It's possible just to 3 and to the 5, so it's
Yeah.
just...
Yeah, I wasn't even getting off anyways. I just didn't know the elevator stopped on this middle floor anyways.
The middle floor stopped because of the key.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I saw that. Well, you have a great day, sir. All right, we're gonna go back up and get off. But anyways, but yeah, this is my very first, this is an actual Schindler EuroLift elevator. The handicap button, unfortunately, does not work, I don't think. But we're gonna go ahead and get off. Unfortunately, sorry I had to stop a lot because it got so busy and there's like security everywhere. I also got a little bit nervous because I got confronted earlier ago. But anyways, that was your ride on the Schindler EuroLift elevators. Thanks for watching. That'll be it.